Hi Sabrina, hi Mike, welcome to all the conference attendees. I'm thrilled to have been asked to speak to you next year at the 2020 conference on the VIP day. And Sabrina has asked me to talk to you about a subject very dear to my heart, which is financial intelligence and intrinsic value for small businesses and creating an investor mindset for entrepreneurs. Warren Buffett once famously said that he's a better businessman for being an investor and a much better investor for being a businessman. And I would submit to you that most business entrepreneurs busy with the operations of their business don't find the time or necessarily have the skills to really understand what that role of being an investor in your own business is. That's my job to teach you, and we'll be spending a day exploring what it means to be an investor in your own business and how the 4-week vacation is the start of a long journey to creating an investor mindset in your business so that you can enjoy the fruits of your productive labor.